Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud, the CEO of Agenta, and today I'm going to show you how to create an application from the command line interface in Agenta. Let's jump to it. So the first thing we need to do is to install Agenta. So we run pip install -u for upgrade, it should always upgrade, Agenta. Next thing, we are an empty folder, we want to initialize the new application. We run for that Agenta init. It will ask us for the name of the application. Let's call it test app. It will ask us whether we're running locally. I am. And whether we want to start from a blank application or from a template. To make things shorter, let's start from a template. We're going to use the simple prompt template, which is a simple prompt application using Langchain. You can find here that Agenta init has created a number of files. The most important one is this app.py. It includes the code of the application. So you can see here it's using Langchain. It has one function. This function basically uses OpenAI with a prompt template which says the default prompt, what is a good name for a company that makes product, and then returns the output of this chain. So what is different from a simple Langchain application is that we're wrapping everything in a function that has this decorator, agpost. This basically tells Agenta that the main code is here. The other thing is that this function has the parameters and the input of the LLM application as parameters of the function. So in this LLM application, the input is product, and the parameters are temperature and prompt template. And the way to tell Agenta that the input is product is by using string. So basically the typing. And the way to tell that these two are parameters are by using our special types, ag float para and ag text para, telling us that this is a float and this is the prompt template is text parameters. Now let's deploy or serve Agenta locally, serve this application locally. So we jump out here, we say Agenta variant serve, and then we give the file name app.py. Now this won't work. It will tell us that the .env file is missing. So let's create the .env file. We put in it OpenAI API key is equal, and then I'll continue this alone. Now I have saved the .env file, and it's time to try to serve the application again. So let's run this Agenta variant serve -- file name and the file name. Now what this does is take this file and create a container out of it and create an API endpoint out of it. It's already done. We could jump to the playground to test our application. So here we are in the playground. We can see that the inputs and the parameter that we have added, so the prompt template, the temperature, and the product are now in the playground, connected to our code. We can test it. Let's say, what would be a good name for a company that makes an LLM ops platform? And the answer is Idea Solution LLC. Why not? Last thing we can show is we can use our application in our software. And it's easy as selecting the language here, write and copy, and that's it. We can use it in our software. Thanks a lot for watching. In the next tutorials, we will get more in details about how to create these applications from code, how to evaluate these applications, and how to create test sets. Thanks a lot for watching.